There are numerous instances in the mining and construction industry of near misses, injury and death when light vehicles and heavy earth-moving equipment get too close to each other. This video has been produced as a training tool to raise awareness in the industry of the possible consequences of collision. The following footage is a demonstration and was conducted under controlled conditions using the resources of Roche Mining and Henry Walker Elton at the Pasminco Century Mine in Queensland.
I was expecting more. It was just a small shutter. If you're on unlevel ground in the pit or at the dump, you just wouldn't know. You'd be straight over it. A bend here that holds the mud flap on. There, and just around the corner here we've got a little bit of where the bar is actually just bent. Hasn't even touched the filter, but there's just a little bit of a graze here on this filter here. And it's sort of just nicked the sidewall of the tyre, but it hasn't, it's only just scuffed it. And just a little dent here. Apart from that, nothing major.